Let's make a dish today with flour and pineapple. Prepare 350 grams of high-gluten flour first. Beaten 2 eggs. Add another 3 grams of yeast powder, 20 grams of sugar to aid fermentation. Add 170 ml of pure milk. Stir while upside down. Add 20 grams of cooking oil after stirring all into a large flour. Add another 3 grams of salt. Increase the gluten of flour. The dough does not need to be kneaded smooth. Knead so that we can move to the chopping board and start kneading the glove film. Just rub it like rubbing clothes. Just knead it into this film. Knead for about 20 minutes. As for this meal bag, we don't need to knead the glove film that is too thin. After kneading the noodles, put them in a pot and ferment to twice their size. Poke a hole with some dry flour. The face will shrink, but it will be put away. First, cut the pineapple into small pieces. Beat the pineapple a little with the processor. Be careful not to beat this too badly. It tastes better with a little granules. Pour the beaten pineapple into the pot. Pour in 15 grams of sugar. Turn on low heat and fry slowly. This is to remove some of the moisture from the pineapple. Boil it to this level in about 3 minutes, and our pineapple sauce is almost ready. Now let's start making bread. Put the sent noodles on the chopping board and rub the exhaust. The kneaded noodles are rubbed into long strips, then divide into 8 small doses. Take a small dosage, press it flat, and roll it into a bun skin. Rolled out like this. Then we start with the pineapple sauce. Close it in buns. We will wrap such a bread. Put the finished bread in the baking pan for a second wake-up call. This step is very important and cannot be ignored. Can't bake directly. After the second wake-up, brush on a layer of egg liquid. Brushing egg liquid is mainly for coloring. Let's try to brush it evenly. After brushing the egg wash, you can start baking. Bake in the oven at 170 degrees for 20 minutes. But because the temperature of each oven is different, just adjust it according to your own oven. The bread is baked at this time. Let's break it apart and see. It seems to be working well. And look, there's this brushed effect. You can tear it layer by layer and eat it like this. The aroma of bread and the sweet and sour taste of pineapple are very good. Look very fresh and soft. Friends who like it can give it a try. Friends who like my video can follow me.